How to turn off Find My iPhone. How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the Scotty Studio. And if you want to deactivate your Find My iPhone feature from your iPhone, then here is how you can do it. First thing first, simply go ahead and open up this settings application from your device and then tap on the Apple ID at the very top right here. Now once you're here inside your Apple ID, just scroll down and tap on Find My. Once you tap on this one, you'll get to see the Find My iPhone. Go ahead and tap on this one. And he'll get to see the option Find My iPhone. It's currently turned on. You just need to turn off this option and it's going to quickly ask you to enter your Apple ID password, and go ahead and enter the password right over here and simply go and tap on turn off, and it will take a little time and the Find My iPhone will be deactivated from your device. And you can do the same step by going to the main settings of your iPhone. From the settings, you just need to scroll down to the bottom, tap on privacy and security, tap on location services and tap on share my location and go to the Find My iPhone. You can do this same option right from here as well. And this is how you can turn off the Find My iPhone on any iPhone. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.